In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send an email from a contact owner in HubSpot. This is a really useful feature if you're working in sales, customer service, or marketing, and you want emails to come directly from the assigned contact owner instead of yourself. It keeps communication personal, consistent, and aligned with your CRM records. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can start using this right away. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the main navigation menu at the top and click on Contacts. From the dropdown, select Contacts again to open your full contact list. This is where all of your saved contacts live inside HubSpot. Now, choose the contact you want to email. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific person. Once you find the contact, click on their name to open their contact record. This will take you to their detailed profile view. Inside the contact record, you'll see the timeline in the center of the screen. This timeline shows all past activity, including emails, calls, notes, meetings, and more. At the top of the timeline, you'll see different action buttons like Call, Email, Note, and Task. Click on the Email button. This will open the email composer directly within the contact's timeline. Here's where the important part comes in. At the top of the email composer, you'll see a From drop-down menu. By default, this may show your name if you're the one currently logged in. Click on that From drop-down. In the list of available senders, select Contact Owner. When you choose Contact Owner, HubSpot will automatically send the email from the user assigned as the owner of that contact in the CRM. If needed, you can also manually select a specific user from the dropdown instead of choosing Contact Owner. This is helpful if you have permission to send on behalf of other team members and want to control exactly who the email appears to come from. After selecting Contact Owner, continue composing your email as usual. Add your subject line, write your message, and include any personalization tokens if you'd like, such as the contact's first name or company name. You can also attach files, insert templates, or use snippets to save time. Before sending, quickly double-check that the From field still shows Contact Owner or the correct user. This ensures the email will be sent from the right person. Once everything looks good, click Send. And that's it. The email will now be logged in the contact's timeline and sent from the assigned contact owner, keeping your CRM clean and your communication aligned with ownership. This feature is especially powerful for teams where multiple users manage different accounts. It ensures that each contact hears directly from their assigned rep, even if someone else is assisting behind the scenes. Just make sure your users have the proper email integration and permissions set up in HubSpot. Otherwise, the option to send from another user may not appear. So to quickly recap, go to Contacts, open a contact record, click Email in the timeline, then use the From dropdown to select Contact Owner or the specific user you want. Compose your message and hit Send. Simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips, CRM tutorials, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.